Hello, and welcome. Just get rid of that so that way you don't know where I live. So guys, as you guys can see, I have a box right here. What's in this box, you may ask? By the way, if my voice sounds a bit funny, this guy literally just woke up. And it's about 3:46 p.m. I took a test earlier, like at 10 in the morning. I don't know what happened. I just passed out right after. Anyways, in this box, I have some shoes. Now, this is not going to become a review channel or a fashion channel, just because that's just not me. I'm not like that. You know what I'm saying? Just making sure everything's chilling. By the way, this is just going to be a very, very weird review. Specifically, in this box is the Notwoways shoes. If you guys don't know what Notwoways is, it's a shoe created by Calix and I forgot one of his other boys. And he recently, on November 28th, I believe, he dropped the Moonless edition. Oh baby, look at these bad boys. No, I am so sorry. It's just, listen. You guys probably couldn't see anything, but listen, look, just look at this. Would you look at this? No two ways. This shoe is a beauty. Absolutely magisterial. Is that ink? I don't know. Let me see. That might be better. I don't know. Maybe not. Who knows? The lighting's messed up. I know. I understand that. There's nothing I can do about that. I mean, there is something. Oh, no, there really isn't anything I can do. So, these are the Moonless editions. If I'd say that. Oh, I was there for the first drop. Like, what, in the summer I think it was? But I was just a bit too late. Here we go. Hold on. Let me show you a POV of me opening these shoes, yeah? Like I said, it's not going to become a review channel or an unboxing channel, but listen. It's for Calix, you know? Oh my. These are something else, you know? Holy moly. No two ways. Would you look at that? Calix, you've outdone yourself here. You and your boy. I actually had to look at his name. I forgot his name. Set that back up where it was. Lovely. Just make sure I got my other shoe. Oh, so I didn't actually know that. It comes with two laces. The orange lace. The orange like and black. And then it obviously already comes with the black and white lace. I don't really listen. I'm not a shoe guy. I'm not one. What does that say? Oh. I don't know if I want to keep that on there. That's the thing. I kind of don't, just because I want the shoe. See, the shoe, dude. These are so nice. I wanted the first pair, the ones that first dropped. In like the summer, I believe, but like I said, I was darn late. Oh my, these are special. They are. I do want to get the other ones though. I will eventually try to get those, but someone reselling them. But I checked not too long ago, and there's just none of them in my size. Not even a little over my size. In case I want it. Biggie boys. Size 8 UK, size 9 US. I wear a 9.5, but they recommended an 8 UK. These I just don't. I never want these to get dirty, so definitely will be buying something to keep these bad boys clean. Like I said, guys, I do apologize for the very bad, setup. Listen, I literally just got them like less than 30 minutes ago, so I'm trying my best to try to work with what I got. I probably should have set this up earlier, Yeah, POV. No two ways. My gourdness. Absolutely stunning. That's the extra lace, by the way. So yes, guys, I'm not gonna try them on because my listen. Is it focus? Am I focus? Listen. No. My ankles are just not ready for this show. You know what I'm saying? There probably was a better way to take this off other than just absolutely ruining them, but I'm gonna put them away anyways. You know, I'm not gonna put these on. I actually do like the black lace more than the white more than the orange ones. Rockwell Princely. Sorry if I pronounced your name wrong, mate. Go check them out. Rockwell Princely. Well, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Like I said, this is not going to become a review channel, an unboxing channel, a clothing channel. That's just not me. But I did just want to show you guys these new shoes. You can't get them no more. So if you're wondering if you can, you can't. It was a one-time drop. Keep up to date on his channel, his channel and his Instagram. Instagram is Callux, Cal, Callux, and then also follow Rockwell Princely. You know, he's a designer. Helped design the shoes. Rockwell, Princely. All one word. Go follow them. Also go follow Notwoways, the actual account. Yes, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace. Look at my face.